Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The day I filmed this, it was my birthday. So this is like my birthday makeup look. My birthday was on May the 6th and I turned 38, and most of the time I have to remind myself how old I am because I just do not count birthdays anymore. I don't really think about birthdays. It's not even like about age really, it's just like, it's just not important. Like, I'm just like, yeah, it's another day. And so I'm constantly having to remind myself how old I actually am. Anyone else do that? Just me? Maybe. But I wanted to do a look with this LaColors Berry Kiss palette. And I wanted to do a look that made my green eyes pop. So I've already primed my lids with the AOA Studio Shadow Stay Primer. And then, of course, I'm using the LaColors Berry Kiss palette. And I'm going to take a couple shades out of this palette here. I'm going to use a fluffy crease brush to build this shade up in the crease. And I literally start out with the lightest hand with this shade. And then build it up very pigmented towards the end here. Little by little. It's always good to continue to think about it like salt and pepper when you're cooking. You want to add a little at a time or you'll ruin the entire look. I want to take the matte red shade in this palette and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to take that up on the same fluffy crease brush, but because I'm going to apply it differently in a different area, I'm applying it using the side of the brush. And this will allow me to really pack that into the outer corner. And this is the shade that really made my green eyes stand out. And I debated on whether or not to film this, but I thought, you know what, it might be fun just to share like the makeup look that I wore on my birthday. So this is it. And I work that up, build that up pretty good in the outer corner, just pressing that. And surprisingly, these little palettes don't have a lot of fallout, which is really nice. And with my finger, I'm going to be taking that shimmery peachy pink shade, and it has like this golden shift. Now I applied this with my finger, but I feel like if I would had to do this look over, I would have wet a brush and applied this shade because it's absolutely stunning and I think it would have been beautiful foiled. But I just pack it on with my finger and just I'll go in a second and I will blend it out with the other two shades. And all these shades blend out really nicely. And these wipes here, I'm sharing them because I just started using them. Power Stick Face and Body Wipes. And this scent Paradise Breeze, Black Amber Plum, and Vanilla Woods. It smells so good. These wipes are thick and saturated with product. And they work fantastic. And I've been using them on my face and like for swatches. And I found them at the DollarTree and I just had to share them. And this LaColors in Vogue Nude eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. I can't get enough of this palette. I've been using this little palette so much and I really especially love this highlight shade. I'm like dipping into this shade all the time. And this is just on an eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to apply that under the brow and blend it down into the crease. Because look how good it does at blending out the crease shade and reshaping that. Because it got a little out of control. And I'm going to take the fluffy brush and blend the shade back up into the brow. And then they're going to be, like form this really seamless blend. I love it. I'm taking that shimmery pink shade from that In Vogue palette and applying it in the inner corner, and just so happens I had a Q-tip laying there and I decided to use this for my lower lash line. LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline with. In the waterline I'm using this soft white, it's like an off-white eyeliner from Hard Candy. I love this thing. I'm using half lashes today, and of course my favorite lash glue is AOA Studio Super Strip Lash Adhesive, I believe is what it's called. And I always have a time applying these little half lashes, but they do look really pretty when I get them on. A Loreal oversized Bambi mascara. Love this mascara. And that's the finished eyes. For lips, I decided not to do a lipstick at all. I just done a lip oil because that's just what I was in the mood for. And I wanted to test out this LaColors Lami Effect Brow Gel on camera. It's from their Browy Wowie line. And this stuff is really good. I love the tube packaging. I'm going to do a more in-depth review and have a lot more to say in a totally different video. The next makeup tutorial you see. But as you can see, it works really good. And it's clear. And it does hold your brows in place. So for $3, I'm not mad at it. I do like it. But for a more in-depth review, stay tuned to the next makeup tutorial. My nails, I'm currently obsessed with. They are jellyfish nails, and I had to share them. And they will be linked in the cards and in the description box always. They're my nails. If I have a video on it or whatever I have to say, if there's something on my nails, it is always in the description box. Now this is finished look, and I'm just kind of going over, you know, like a few of the products. Love that Berry Kiss palette. This In Vogue Nude palette from LaColors. Like, LaColors is amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and will maybe try the look out for yourselves. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list.